Hey everybody, GP sitting here in my office, studio, and bedroom, where I'm putting together a last minute idea I wanted to do. A couple weeks ago, I did a couple of tapping open houses. I really liked the way they went. I just really liked the energy about it. I liked the breakthroughs that people had. I liked the responses. It really had a nice feel. It was kind of went a different place than I was expecting, and kind of took me and my understanding and practice of Meridian tapping to a new place that I've really been enjoying. So I wanted to do it again. So I thought I would. I'm going to be doing a Tea with G event on Sunday. So it'll just be the one day, this Saturday, July 20th, 11 o'clock Eastern, which is 6 o'clock UTC. Or not, there's 11 o'clock Pacific, that's where I am. 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 6 p.m. UTC. Be the same format. I'll be broadcasting it live, open, free on YouTube. But I will have a link that I'll give out during the event for if anybody wants to come online and be on camera and work with me one-on-one. I'm really open to doing that. And remember that the way energy healing works is you don't have to reveal, if it's something really personal you want to work out, you don't have to reveal it to the audience, to me, to anybody. The energy knows, that's all that matters. My job as the facilitator is to just facilitate, to help the energy free up enough so that it can do the healing work it knows how to do. So it'll be a really fun and interesting healing event, I think. I think you get a lot out of it. And there go the sirens. See? Even the firemen are celebrating. So I hope you'll be there, because I'll be there. And it'll be very interesting, very healing, and a lot of fun. So please join me. I'll see you on Saturday.